Everybody has their own recipe for the best brownie ever. This is mine. First, melt dark chocolate with butter in a double boiler, which is a bowl set over a pan with a little simmering water. Let it melt without much stirring and then leave to cool down a little while you beat the eggs. This is best done in a standing mixer or with a handheld mixer. Beat whole eggs with sugar, which will take about 6 to 7 minutes at highest speed. The result should be very pale, very fluffy and super airy. Pour the melted butter and chocolate into the eggs mix. Stir very gently with a spatula, trying not to deflate it. Look at those colors, aren't they wonderful? Now sift the flour and cocoa into the brownie batter. And fold it gently again until just combined. Finally, the chocolate chips go in. Pour the batter into a square 20 cm tin lined with parchment. And off it goes to the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. Until it's no longer wobbly in the middle. It needs to cool completely in the tin before you can cut it into squares. Enjoy your brownie, it's really good!